installation of the inBrain Surveys SDK via manual installation. So in order to get started, you need to have an Xcode project and you need to go and visit our hosted GitHub of releases. So first thing you'll do is download the latest and greatest. Right now is version 1.3.3, and I'll go ahead and just get this zip folder here. I have the zip folder here, and I want to make sure that I unzip this, and now that we have it, we want to locate the XC framework. What we want to do is copy this, and we want to make sure that we add it into our manual inBrain example. So here we go, manual inBrain install. So right now we have nothing but the folder and the Xcode project. We want to make sure to paste it right here. So now we have the XC framework added. Now let's go to our Xcode project. So here's our Xcode project. First thing we want to do is acknowledge that that SDK is now in a new location and we want to have it configured to the project. Let's go here to the target settings in our general tab. Let's select the plus button here in the frameworks, libraries, and embedded content. And you want to select the blue button here and add other. Let's add files. So we should traverse directly to our inBrain Surveys SDK Swift XC framework that we just added, and we're going to press open. Now we have it added to our project in both here and in our frameworks folder. So just to give you a little background of this project, it'll have a look and feel like so. We'll present the survey wall from this orange button. So let's do a clean and build. Let's do it one more time because Xcode likes those. So let's go to our view controller and set up our code. So we have our import statement here to get started. And the first thing we want to do is for the view controller that's presenting the surveys wall, let's make sure it conforms to the inBrain delegate. In doing that, you'll add 3 delegate functions here. Did receive inBrain rewards is for in-app callbacks, for reward for servers to serverless apps, meaning apps that do not have a server. They'll be able to receive the rewards, process them, and send them up via our confirm rewards. The other 2 delegate functions are surveys closed whenever the survey experience is closed from a native navigation button, and surveys closed from web page in the scenario where we close it from inside of a web page that we construct custom in a white labeled project experience. So now that we have conformed properly to the inBrain delegate, notice that we need to add an instance variable here for the inBrain.shared singleton. This is going to do all the magic. So we reference it in our view did load here and ensure that the inBrain.inBrain delegate equals self, hence why we conform to the protocol initially. Then the remaining 2 lines in order to get this party started is our inBrain.setInBrain API client ID and API secret. Here we're using static constants for the string values of these 2, and we have the is s2s, meaning is server to server. For this example, we're going to say true, but as I showed you, the did receive inBrain rewards. In order to engage with that, you want to set is s2s to false. And to finalize the set inBrain values, user ID is just the email or unique username. And then to get the show on the road, we'll say inBrain.showSurveys. So let's give this a build and see it in action and see if we integrate it correctly. Alright, so here's the look and feel here, and we're just going to press our button to present the survey wall. Alright, and so when you get here, this is our initial profiler. This is going to confirm that you have integrated the inBrain Surveys SDK properly and are ready to monetize surveys. So this is the integration for manual installation of the SDK. Always be understanding that we're here to serve your monetization needs within your app via surveys. And thanks, and tune in for more as we continue to bring great content. It's another great day here at inBrain.